What do you like about the parade?
I like just hanging out with all my friends and just having a fun time walking around in costumes.
What do you like about the parade?
What I like about the parade is that we all come together.
I like that both schools can come together and they can, become one. And
What do you like about homecoming?
Dancing. I like to dance.
What do you like about homecoming?
I just think it's good for students to come out, show their spirit, support the school, show the community, who we are.
What do you like about the parade?
I like the walk, and I like all the decorations.
What do you like about homecoming?
Being able to hang out with my friends and just dance around and have fun.
Why do you think it is important for students to participate in events like this?
Because it shows that you love your school and it shows school spirit.
Why do you think it is important for students to participate in events like this?
It gives kids a chance to bond with each other in different groups.
What do you like about the parade?
Well, I love that the kids come out and we are passing out 450 books to the children in Cicero and Berwyn, and my kids love it and the little kids love it.
What do you like about the parade?
That we get to recruit new members because people feel interested in our club.
What do you like about the parade?
I love the fact that it brings the 4 campuses together and we get to walk around Berwyn and Cicero and just show off Morton pride.
Why do you think it is important for students to participate in events like this?
It just brings people together, brings all the kids together, and they get to do fun stuff.
Why do you think it is important for students to participate in events like this?
Because it promotes a lot of school spirit. You can create a lot of fun memories with all your friends or just meet new people and make new friends.
What do you like about the parade?
I like how it brings out so many students.
What do you like about the parade?
Oh, I like how all the teams can come together and all the extracurricular activities, because usually when one thing is going on, another thing is going on too, so you never get to spend time with all of them at once.
What do you like about homecoming?
I love coming back to East and seeing all my former students. Oh my gosh, it's so fun to see them, and I can't believe how quickly they grow up.
What do you like about homecoming?
I like that it gives us a chance to reunite with a lot of people from throughout the school at our dance and our football games.
What do you like about homecoming?
I just like that as an alumni, class 2001, we get to come back and share in the tradition of Morton and show the community the great things that are happening here in District 201.
What do you like about homecoming?
What I like about homecoming is that I get to spend time with my friends and meet new people at the dance.
Why do you think it is important for students to participate in events like this?
It's important to show that you're proud to be a Morton student.
I think it's good because you get to meet new people and you get to, see what your school is about.
Why do you think it is important for students to participate in events like this?
This is a way to show the positive energy that is part of the school.
What do you like about the parade?
I like being able to walk around with my friends.
Why do you think it is important for students to participate in events like this?
It just shows Morton pride. Again, in 4 years, some of these kids will be graduating. Next year, some of these kids will be graduating. I think it's a great time just to show Morton pride and showing how great a community, having school spirit. I mean, it makes the days go a lot better if you have pride in your school.
Why do you think it is important for students to participate in events like this?
Well, it's really important for the freshmen, I think, because this is their very first event, and a lot of them in my book club don't know each other, and so after doing this together in the rain today, they will make a lot of new friends.
What do you like about the parade?
What I like about the parade is that everybody joins together and we just really have a good time from east to west, and we just do chants, and it's just really fun.
What do you like about the parade?
Well, the parade's a really fun event where everyone gets together, everyone enjoys themselves, and it's a place where we all go around, get to know the neighborhood gets to know us.
What do you like about the parade?
I like the fact that we all get to come together as a school and show our Morton pride.
I really like the time we get to spend with our clubs and our teams, and it's kind of different than what we do on a daily basis, so it's a really nice team bonding.
What do you like about homecoming?
I love the spirit that we all have, the theme. Everyone dresses up, everyone has fun, everyone gets into the spirit.
What do you like about homecoming?
I love everything about homecoming week, but I think especially the pep rally because everyone has so much fun here.
I really like the different theme days that we do at school.
What do you like about homecoming?
I like that people show their creativity.
Why do you think it is important for students to participate in events like this?
I think it's important because people get to build a community with everybody else, and we're all connected by our school spirit, and I think that's awesome for someone to have in their high school experience.
I think it's really important because it's a nice opportunity for you to make memories.
I know everyone's very, very nervous here. Don't be. Should we go king or queen first? The queen for 2018 from Morton East High School, the queen for Morton East High School 2018 homecoming. That's one of our football managers. And the king, David Santiago. Congratulations, 2018 King and Queen Morton East High School.
How does it feel being the homecoming queen?
Really exciting. I really wasn't expecting this, so I'm really happy.
How does it feel being the homecoming king?
It feels really amazing. You know, being crowned the title of homecoming king, you just feel everyone's energy coming in towards you at once. And I really like homecoming, and I really like the school, and to be named homecoming king is a really big honor to me.
What do you like about homecoming?
I like that I get to spend time with my friends and be around them.
What do you like about homecoming?
It's a night to have fun with your friends and make memories.
What do you like about homecoming?
Honestly, the school spirit and like everyone that gets involved in homecoming week.
What do you like about homecoming?
You know, just showing off the school spirit and spending time with friends.
I like that everyone gets involved and like the energy that we all have for Morton. Like, just school spirit is really good.
How does it feel to be on the homecoming court?
It feels great because it feels like people look up to you, like you're a leader.
How does it feel to be on the homecoming court?
It feels great.
How does it feel to be on the homecoming court?
You know, it's an honor.
How does it feel to be on the homecoming court?
Surprising, actually, but I actually really like it. I have some good friends that actually won with me too. So, shout out to all the people that voted for me too. So, love y'all.
How does it feel to be on the homecoming court?
Really good because people see how involved I am in school.
I just feel honored to be on the court and just proud.